Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on PS5 games. It's important to understand a key limitation. Your DualShock 4 controller cannot directly play native PlayStation 5 games on the console itself. Sony designed PlayStation 5 games to utilize the unique features of the DualSense controller, like haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. Therefore, for true PlayStation 5 titles, a DualSense is always necessary. However, there is one specific method to use your PS4 controller for these games. The sole workaround for playing PlayStation 5 games with your PS4 controller involves using the PS Remote Play application. This clever feature streams your PlayStation 5's display and audio to a separate device, like a personal computer, Mac, or even a mobile phone. By connecting your DualShock 4 controller to this secondary device, you can effectively control your PlayStation 5 game through the streamed connection. This method allows you to enjoy your favorite PlayStation 5 titles using your familiar PS4 controller. To set up Remote Play, begin by accessing your PlayStation 5 system settings. Look for the Remote Play option and ensure it is enabled. Next, for seamless operation, configure your PlayStation 5's power saving settings. Activate Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network so your console can be accessed remotely. Finally, download the official PS Remote Play application onto your computer, tablet, or smartphone. With Remote Play set up, connect your DualShock 4 controller to your chosen streaming device. You can do this wirelessly via Bluetooth by holding the PlayStation and share buttons until the light bar flashes, then selecting it in your device's Bluetooth settings. Alternatively, use a compatible USB cable for a wired connection. Once connected, open the PS Remote Play app, sign in, and select your PlayStation 5. You are now ready to enjoy your PlayStation 5 games using your PS4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.